Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding Bias in AI, Identifying and Mitigating Unfairness, AI Ethics. Imagine a recipe for cookies. If the recipe only uses ingredients readily available in one specific region, the cookies might not be very good for people elsewhere. Similarly, AI models are trained on data. And if that data reflects biases, like racial or gender bias, the AI will also show those biases in its results. As developers, we need to be aware of this and prevent it. Bias sneaks in through the data used to train AI models. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained mostly on images of white people, it might struggle to recognize people of other ethnicities. This isn't because the AI is intentionally racist. It's because its recipe data is flawed. Think loan applications. An AI trained on historical data might deny loans to people from certain zip codes simply because the data shows a higher default rate in those areas, ignoring other important factors. This is an example of systemic bias perpetuating itself through AI. As developers, we need to carefully examine our training data. We use techniques to visualize the data and look for uneven representation of different groups. Tools can help identify if the AI is unfairly favoring certain characteristics. One solution is data augmentation. Imagine adding more diverse ingredients to our cookie recipe. This means adding more data to balance out the representation of different groups in our training dataset, making the model more fair. Beyond data, we can adjust the AI's algorithms themselves. We can build in checks and balances to ensure the AI makes decisions based on fair and relevant factors, not just biased historical trends. This is like fine-tuning our cookie recipe to improve the overall taste. Building fair and unbiased AI is not just a technical challenge. It's an ethical responsibility. As developers, we have a crucial role to play in ensuring that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. We need to consider the societal impact of our creations. Even after deploying an AI system, we need to continuously monitor its performance to catch any emerging biases. Regular testing and feedback loops are crucial to ensure long-term fairness and responsible AI development. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.